Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, the steel umbrella over Townsville got badly broken early this morning, leaking heavy rain all over the Burdekin, with storms heading towards Mackay now as well. More storms tomorrow, and Thursday is going to be windy. 32 degrees a top in Mackay today after a low this morning of 19, moderately pleasant with 49% humidity. In Proserpine, the temp range was 21 to 31. Claremont and Moranbah scored a top of 33. On the satellite loop now, there seems to be a bit of a division of air masses. South of about Mackay, we've got mostly dry air, although some of it's penetrating even into the wide bay, where we see some storms going up this afternoon. We weren't really expecting them to be so scattered. But further north, as you'll see in a moment, the air's a lot more unstable, and it's led to this sort of cacophony of storms right through the early morning around the Herbert Burdekin, and it could happen again overnight. Let's look at today's chart and see what's going on here. Firstly, we've still got the dry air mass circulating around that high, which has now moved towards Adelaide. Because it's come from the southwest, it's not carrying much moisture. But as we go north, the air turns around. It has more of an oceanic trajectory. And of course, we've got this, what seems to be a little weak trough, but this little knot in the isobars is producing all the havoc that at the moment has caused the storms through the Herbert Burdekin. Now on tomorrow's chart, that trough will still be there in its weak form, so more storms in the same area, contracting north slowly. And then on the outlook chart, we've got windy conditions as southeasterlies go right up and down the coast, bringing cooler temperatures. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Mackay waters, east to southeast winds up to 25 knots tomorrow. On Thursday we're going to get strong forced winds, 20 to 30 knots, settling back a little bit for Friday. The morning high tide is growing quickly. Tomorrow it's 2 days away from full moon, so the swing will be close to its peak. Please be wary of strong currents. Central Coast and Whitsundays, a shower or storm in the north only. Mackay will reach 32 degrees, same for Bowen. Proserpine a little warmer, 33. Central Highlands and Coalfields, we've still got the flood warning for the Dawson River. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms with Emerald and Claremont and Moranbah all reaching 33 degrees. Looking ahead for Mackay, much drier from Thursday onwards, but temperatures won't change that much, as they never seem to do in the tropics this time of year. If there ever was a face in a cloud, this is surely it. Pointy beard and moustache, wearing a rakish hat, facing to the right. It follows a flurry of magnificent storm photos taken around Toowoomba back on October 23rd. Many thanks Marty and Chris Doherty for the opportunistic photography. Catch you tomorrow. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, thank you, Liv. Good on you, mate. Well, that wraps it up. Lovely having your company. And a reminder, you can watch our news anytime on the 7plus app. Or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. We'll see you tomorrow night. Good night.